Hello, hello. Assalamu alaikum. How are you?
Fine.
What do you have here? I had nothing for breakfast. Let's see, maybe we can buy some cookies, yeah? Huh. But which one? Which cookies are the best?
Sweet.
Which one? Sweet cookies. Oh, I tried to avoid sugar. It doesn't go that well. Okay, snacks. Protein bars you have maybe? Oh, toots. You can give me toots. Yeah. Toots. Give me also some cookies like, I don't know. Give me 10 pieces, 2 packages, 10 pieces. 1 package for me and 1 for my driver. Cold water you have? Cold water. No cold water. Okay. Give me also those crust bars, 2 pieces.
2 pieces.
Yes, please. Okay, how much in total? Yes. Kick me.
450.
450. My God. Good price. China? No, I'm not from China. Do I look Chinese? No. Yugos. Croatia. Thank you, my friend. Shopping's done. Here is the beast. Our small car. Groceries in here. And we are on the way to see Noori Waterfalls. It's like 2-hour journey from Islamabad. And man, it's rough. Streets, roads, corners, everything so sharp. And we go with the mini beast. Driver is in here. And man, yeah, I can barely fit in the car. My seat is all the way back. And still, I cannot extend my legs. Well, we can make it. It's only 2 hours there and 2 hours back. So after we have some groceries now to eat, to have a breakfast finally, we can continue the journey. And you see here it looks a bit different than it is in Islamabad. Poor internet connection, if you get any at all. This place where we stopped also looks like some kind of a stop where people stop to take a break, grab something to eat, have something to drink, etc. But yeah, not far away from Islamabad, but totally different scenario. And you can feel it, it's a bit different in here. People are different, they're more like, they're not like city boys, you know. You know what I mean, probably you do. Because you can see the difference in people from big places and from villages, definitely, for sure. And as we travel to Noori Waterfalls, you can see many rocks, like here on the side, that fell off from the cliffs. And it might be dangerous, but we're not scared. We go in this mini beast car, but this time I got the seat belt, so that's good. A little bit safer than last time. Yeah? Yes, a little bit safer. Oh yeah. I hope we do not get lost, because navigation most of the time doesn't work. Because as I said, there is no internet connection and we didn't download any offline maps. But my driver, he has to take care of that. I hope we are in the safe hands. Yes, safe hands.
Safe hands.
Pakistan Zindabad.
Pakistan Zindabad.
Oh, I bought you cookies.
Very good, man.
Yes, you know, I bought you a cookies. Breakfast. Yes. No, I have also. I bought you and I bought for me. So we both eat. So it's an easier journey, you know. We smashed the breakfast and see you a little bit later. Bye for now. Road is getting a bit tough. Let's see if Suzuki can handle it. Can we make it? Yeah?
Yes.
Okay. We believe in Suzuki. Suzuki power. But it is tight, man.
Noori Waterfall is just
Car is small, road is small, and I'm big. With nutrition so far that I had, I will not be that big anymore. I will lose the gains. Now I'm kidding. Couple more days and we are in one of the most developed countries in the world. So we smashed the gym, we smashed nutrition and everything like we should. Yes, baby. Subscribe to get updated and you can see which country I'm talking about. Maybe ladies were like showing us a signal to stop with a hand. Maybe they needed a taxi. Who knows? Oi oi oi.
And Noori Waterfal kehdi je?
Look at the road in here, man. I don't think this car can go there.
Very dangerous.
Yeah?
Very dangerous way.
Dangerous road. Maybe it would be better if we had a Jeep with SUV, Land Cruiser. We just go like bzz. How far away is it? We have a lot of roads to cover. How many kilometers?
3 kilometers.
3 kilometers. Okay. Different scenario, totally different scenario. Village life, which I would like to explore a bit better if I had the time, you know? But unfortunately, time is limited. And tomorrow, my friends, tomorrow we go to Karachi. We are going to explore Karachi for a couple of days, and after that leaving Pakistan. A little bit earlier than I expected, but I can do nothing about it. Probably you cannot imagine how these roads look like, because you now, while watching it on PC, TV or your phone, it does not look anything like it does in reality. Man, it is steep, There is many rocks on every side, which came from landslides. At any moment, one of the rocks can slide and hit our car. Easily. And if the rocks got 1 ton, goodbye to us. We become a pancake. It is a bit dangerous, but I think it might be even worse. Especially when you go up to Skardu, which we are not going to go, because I got offers that have ridiculous prices, so I'm not willing to pay like $500 up to $800 for not even 2 full days of traveling to Skardu. So I said, Skardu, sorry, but we're not going to visit you. Maybe next time in the future, because as I said, to spend $500 up to $800 to give to those people who organize the trip, who drive you in a jeeps for not even 2 full days of spending your time in Skardu, no, it's not worth of it, because you know, I can travel Swiss Alps for less money in 2 days, you know. So basically I'm not willing to pay that price, unfortunately. I mean, unfortunately, it is too pricey, you know, because in those countries, in those areas, in here, Pakistan, India and similar, you can live the whole month with $1,500. So spending $500 in 2 days, that's a bit too high price. Well, car has to stay here, and I have to continue journey myself, walking. Thankfully, there is no internet, and I don't know the road, I don't know the way. What could possibly go wrong? Maybe I only get lost in the forest, without the food, without internet, without service, without anything. Hello guys, how are you?
Fine, and you?
Perfect.
Where are you from?
Croatia.
First time you visit Noori Waterfall?
Yes, but I don't know where it is. I just go down there, yeah?
Yeah, I will show you.
Okay. Let's see. The man is going to show me the way. He's local in here, yeah? You're local here?
Yes.
Nice, nice, nice. Does it feel remote to live here? Far away from Islamabad?
No, living here is very easy.
It's better here, huh?
Yeah, better here, not in the city.
No stress.
Yes, no.
No stress. No loud traffic. Hello. Let's see the way and let's walk. For how many? 10 minutes?
For going down, 10 to 15 minutes. For going up, 20 to 25 minutes.
Okay, so in total there and back, hour and a half. Well, worst case scenario, I can get lost.
Sorry?
Worst case scenario, I can get lost. Yeah. Hopefully not. I just follow the river, yeah?
Yeah, no need to cross the river, you just go right side from...
Okay. Maybe I should record the whole way as I walk.
Yeah,
so
sure.
if I get lost,
Yeah.
I have the return ticket.
Okay, come. I will go with you.
Oh, all the way?
Yes.
You don't have to go if you don't want to, you know.
It's okay, no problem. I will show you the way.
I like expeditions, you know.
Maybe you forget the way and you just go
But
directly to Khyber Dam.
I can record all the time, you know, the whole way.
Yes, you know the Khyber Dam?
No. What's that?
Khyber Dam is made on this river.
Oh yeah, okay.
Yeah, if you jump in this river, you directly go to the Khyber Dam.
Yeah? Huh. Cool. Look at the terrain. Yeah. Hiking style. I haven't been hiking for a while now. For many months already. River is not that blue like on the photos, but who knows, maybe it's because of the season. It looks a bit dirty, you know. But on the photos, of course, like always, every photo that's on internet is nice, so you cannot trust everything you see on internet. Look at that terrain, man. Can you imagine hiking like this for the whole day? that would be exhausting. You need some proper training for it. And if I went by myself, I would get lost definitely, 100%. Because I would not expect the path to be like this. I would expect it to be like park path. It's good there is always friendly locals who are willing to show you their homeland, their surroundings, where they grew up. Oi, oi. Crazy, man. Those rocks might be slippy, but man, jumping in the flip-flops, no problem whatsoever. Yeah, I would get lost definitely if I went by myself. We are at the destination, but you know, if I want to see the waterfalls, I would have to swim. And I feel how cold it is here, you know, it's so cool. But down there, sun hits you so strong, and you know, to come here, those like kilometer, I've been sweating like crazy. Yeah, water temperature is approximately 18 degrees of Celsius, maybe a little bit lower. But I don't have any intention to swim. But if I would swim, I would see waterfall a lot better than I see from here. Because you see, there is the waterfall, and it's like 30 meters away. But I don't want to swim, you know. I mean, water is beautiful, it looks nice, but still, no towel, and I do not want to risk of getting sick. Because tomorrow I have a plane, in next couple of days I have the plane, I have to leave the country. First I have to go to India, then from India I have to go to another country, because planes are not flying from Pakistan currently to some other destinations, you know. So I'm not willing to take a risk of getting sick. But nature, yeah, it's beautiful.
Would you like
It
to
is.
sit on the boat?
Boat?
Yes, we will arrange.
How much?
Sure. Let me know.
They have a boat. We'll see the price now. What do you think? What's the price of the boat? Huh?
Price
For the boat, what do you think? How much?
500.
500 for a boat. Tourism. We have a deal. Man said, pay how much you want for me to put some air into the boat and take you down there, like 30 meters. And I was like, no, tell me how much. Tell me how much. And we made a deal. 500 Pakistani rupees, like 5 minutes, 10 minutes maybe. And I'm there, I record a bit of waterfall, and we go back. Seems like we are ready. Yeah? Now we have to go inside somehow. Without shoes getting wet.
Without shoes.
Without shoes, okay. We take the shoes off. Uno momento, por favor. Shoes are off. Okay. Yes. In? Just to step, huh? Okay. Oh yeah, not so steady for walking. Okay, we go. Where? Oi. We all go, huh? Oh yeah. I have to pedal. You see?
No, no.
You pedal, huh? Or me also?
No, no.
Oh, only you. Okay. We go. Oh no, we cruising, yes. We are spinning around like helicopter. Helicopter, helicopter. Parakoffer, parakoffer. We go there? Yeah? We go? Not spinning around, we'll get dizzy.
Double end.
Okay. Vozi Mishko. We are touching the cliff. Hopefully, we do not penetrate the boat. Let's go, let's go.
I'm not now swimming.
No swimming? You don't know how to swim?
No.
Oh yeah. So you are...
You know?
Of course I know. You are screwed if something goes wrong. Turning off the camera and I'm taking the control over the boat. Now I'm in charge. You see how smooth now it goes? Yes. Okay, a little bit off the cliff. Like this. Like that. And you see the waterfall. Waterfall is in here. Wait, you can take some photos of me. Like, yeah, like this, you take photos. Beautiful nature. Only water is bit cold. Seriously, it's bit cold, if you ask me, for swimming. Yes, we saw the waterfalls, we can go back and chill a little bit. Then we go back to Islamabad. I'm perfect. Yugoslav, and your name was?
Saudali.
Yugoslav. Well, after 16 minutes of hike, we are back in the village. And we are waiting for my driver. He is overheated down there. So he's going to chill a bit. Then we go further. We go to explore those street markets down there in the valley and see how people live over there. What's the main source of income in here?
Source of income?
Tourism.
Yeah. They keep the animals mostly.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
That's why they are
Oh, yeah.
earning money from them. And
so animals, tourism a little bit.
tourism now, I think last from 5 to 6 years.
Oh yeah.
Tourism is best for the.
Oh yeah. But you sell vegetables, fruits also?
No, we are
No.
not selling, but we are growing.
Oh yeah, okay,
Yeah,
you like for private
Yes,
use.
for
Yeah,
private
yeah,
use we are.
yeah. And yeah, there is those safe vests. These are for swimming?
Yeah,
or?
this one for the swimming and for
Uh-huh.
the safety of the people as well.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh, here is my driver. He's a bit overheated, so he sat down on the chair. He was recharging his batteries. But we hiked up 16 minutes, no problem. You said 25, 20, 25.
But
You
we
see?
come very quickly.
We did it 16 minutes. New record.
Where are you from, brother?
Croatia.
Croatia.
Croatia, yes.
Okay.
You are from here, from this place, yeah?
No, not from this place.
No?
I'm from the capital, Islamabad.
Oh yeah.
We are here for hiking as well, but
Oh yeah.
my muscle is full and
Oh yeah.
not able to
So,
go down.
oh yeah. So you are staying here waiting
Yeah,
for
I'm
them.
staying here.
Okay,
My other
okay.
friends, they are down there.
I'm staying in Islamabad now, and tomorrow I go to Karachi.
Okay.
But everybody tells me don't go to Karachi. They say,
It's okay. It's
yeah,
okay.
because you know, 80% of people in Pakistan they told me it's dangerous.
It's
Oh,
not
no.
dangerous, man. Go anywhere, wherever you want.
Okay.
Okay.
We go and explore. We like
you
to
will
explore.
and you will see the hospitality of
Yeah,
Pakistani people.
yeah.
Okay, wherever you go, the
Yeah,
people
yeah.
they
Yeah.
will treat you like a king.
Yeah.
Okay.
So far, it's been like that, really.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, it's
What
nice.
we
It's
can
nice
do for
here.
you here? What we can do for you here?
Nothing. I'm good. You know, I'm good. I'm just waiting for my driver. He's here.
Okay. What's your name, bro?
Yugoslav.
Yusuf.
Yugoslav.
Yugoslav.
Nice to meet you. You are
Navid.
Navid. Okay, nice
It's
to
a
meet
Persian
you.
Name. Thank you.
Nice to meet you.
It's a Persian name, man.
Where is my driver? Oh, he's in the car. He's getting the beast ready so we can go back. Yes. Guys, we saw the waterfall. We saw a little bit of countryside. We stopped the video here. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, hit the like, and see you in the next video. Yes,